I have brought you today a video of the rescue of an owl which got injured by the Chinese manjha. You can see that its wings are seriously injured and it is lying down so that it can be rescued, it can be given remedy, and it was given medicine. Soframycin was applied, and also warm oil with turmeric was applied on its wounds by two brave hearts. As you can see, the owl is being rescued and saved by these two people, and then information was given to an NGO which works for the protection of animals and birds, and a representative from the NGO came and took the owl in its protection. So how dangerous Chinese manjha can be, you already know. How many human beings have been injured by it, and now this bird, which cannot speak, which cannot express, got injured. It is quite not making any unnecessary movement because it knows that medicine is being applied, it will give relief to him, and so it is quiet. It was put in a basket for its safety, and then it was taken by the NGO representative. Be kind to birds and animals. In these winters, it is very difficult for them to survive. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed till now.